Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. We just went and got groceries in the Camaro and we'll do a little update on the ride back. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate it greatly. Remember to hit that subscribe, like button, bell notification, let you know when I post. Thanks. So hello everyone, it's been a little while since we checked in. Just gonna be upfront and honest like always. After my car show, after a lot of summer goes by, I get worn out. I get tired, and these last couple weeks have kind of shown it. I didn't go to the track when I should have, when I wanted to, the last couple days, but I get worn out, and unlike what a lot of people think, I don't have any sponsors or anything. So again, after my car show, it takes a long time to recuperate all the money that goes into that. And I mean, I don't get nearly out what I put in throughout the year. So it takes a while for me to recover. With that, I'll give you a YouTube update coming up. But for now, check out this awesome video of Deuce and the babies yesterday. So, regarding Green Bay Classics YouTube, everyone knows that for a while now we've been over the 1,000 subscriber mark, but we are still short on watch hours. To become a YouTube partner, you need 4,000 watch hours, and right now we're at like 3,000 some. So we still need quite a bit of watch hours because none of the time invested in shorts counts towards that. So I have thousands of shorts uploaded, but none of that time counts towards that. So that's why we're short. So everything that I've ever done on YouTube has never produced a penny. You know, so I mean, every video that I make, I've never been let into something for free. I've never expected to be let in for free. So that's just been Green Bay Classics funding our own way. So I mean, every time that one of those comes, that's why it's so important. Every like, share, comment is just huge. Because I mean, I'm just aiming to get that first partner stage. And then, I mean, that's when something might be able to happen. So that's why we need you guys to watch those, the watch hours so much. Maybe fall asleep with them on. But thank you so much for joining me. Finally, people that watch my social medias probably know that I've been also working in the garage lot. I've been trading, I've been working towards trying to upgrade my shop so that during the winter I don't feel so cabin fevered and I don't get so depressed. So that's kind of where some of my energy has been going as well, trying to look forward to the coming months that I struggle through, not having the track, not having car shows, not having just friends around, you know. So I'm trying to make something that is insulated and that will be entertaining for people to come over and hang out, garage hang, work on some cars, look at cars, hang out, play pinball, play some slot machines, and have a good time. So I'm also trying to do that, and that's not just for me, that's for everyone like me during the winter that has a rough time and that might not have a place to hang out. Then I will have that place. So people that need to come over and hang out with someone, then that opportunity is there. So that's the other little update. I'll link some pictures of my pinball machines right now, but I'm working on more like non-stop. I mean, I don't have money, but I have some things I can trade and do some things with, so you never know. But coming this winter, I don't know if I'm going to call it Glory Hole Garage yet or not, but my shop is going to be a little bit more entertaining and a little bit funner place for people to come and hang out and maybe spend some time or help me work on the Eclipse. So it's something to look forward to.